Okay, another one of my storage options, of course, is the milk crate, and it is actually only useful the way I use it for pint jars. And what it allows me to do is put 2 layers of pint jars, 13 in each layer, and they are very snug at the 13 so that when you lift it, it doesn't jiggle and jars don't bash against each other. Now I can also put 12 of the wide mouth in each layer. So it's a good way for me to put my empty jars away, seeing as the cardboard boxes are no longer really viable. Once upon a time you used to get cardboard boxes that were complete boxes with flaps when you bought a case of jars, but that's no longer the case. And not only that, they get old after a while, but this method will last a long time and it's not costly. These units cost about $10 a piece or something like that at Home Depot. And I think I've picked up a couple of crates at the thrift store for about $4 a piece. So, okay, and not only do I use these for stacking my empties, I also use them to stack some jars with produce. And I only stack these 2 high, and these are my tomato jars, and I do, at least a couple of hundred, I think, 100, 150 pint jars every year. So these are a good way for me to put large quantities of one item away. Okay, and this would be where I keep the long term, meaning that it's not the quick go-to, but it is stashed away and I know how much is there. So my go-to is more of a pantry where I can grab, probably 10 jars if I needed to, and this is where the extra would go to. It isn't useful for all kinds of produce, but anything that is one of a kind per crate, if you have 26 pint jars of anything, it would be absolutely useful. But I wouldn't suggest mixing and matching, because then when you're looking for something, you won't find it. Probably the one you're looking for will be at the bottom. Anyway, this is another storage option that I use. And the cardboard layers in the middle are just, say, your cereal boxes. I just keep these. You want something very thin. You don't want heavy cardboard because that will raise the height too high. So that's it.